The same is noise, but in a different way. Noise is not segmentable. That's why we transfer our attention to the big span, to the CR, that's called chunking region, and at the same time, it just goes to the background. So, in this model, cognition is moving between the expected and the unexpected. So between the expected, that means the silence that goes in the background, because we totally expect, and the unexpected, that is noise, that we cannot divide, we cannot discern, and that's why at the same time it's going to the background. So what we perceive is the movement between the two. Okay, this is the background of the research, and what I'm trying to do is looking for a frame to understand a general frame for all the research on music, and I think that the pattern structure can have the potentiality to link the score, that is the main subject of musicology, the listening process, that is the main subject of psychoacoustic, and even the wave pattern analysis, that means the physical analysis of sound. I think this research will have a lot of application, as we can see. This conceptual frame is hopefully, of course, the research. I don't have any conclusion here because I just started the research. Okay, but still, I already used some suggestion for this approach, both for pedagogy, musical analysis, and some music composition. For example, in this slide, I resume the use I did of a pattern structure. So what we see in the top is a tree structure with a modification I use to express time structure. So it's still a tree, and two other representation of the same three. On the left side, we find these letters is a typical representation of the formal analysis of music. The one is used also, for example, to teach how to compose songs, for example. The others, on the right side, is actually a score not written in normal notation, is written in the TUBS, that is a notation useful for express rhythm and not pitches, of course, and to people who is not skilled in classical music. Another application I already did is this Max environment software used for performances, and I just prepared a couple of examples. I hope that, let me see. Okay, we have this track. Okay, and so we can listen. First example is a very simple pattern structure realized by just the presence of sound coming from a very regular structure, changing continuously to totally regular, to a kind of noise, a very educated noise, I must say, and coming back again to the regular structure, the first one being a binary structure, and the second or the last one being, I don't know the name in English, three structure. It's not two like binary, three, so made by three level, one object is composed by three objects, each object is composed by other three objects, and so on. So that's, okay, trinitary, let us say.